what we do for cutting materials when we don't have a lot of space. Make a makeshift cutting area, measuring out the back of the bus, and then I cut out right outside the door. Up some of our kind of like framing, we called it furrowing, we call it framing of the bus. We're putting strips across the top half for our window for two reasons. A, because we're kind of framing out the area that we're going to insulate, because we're going to do spray foam insulation, so this will stop it kind of from coming down the window, but we also have to kind of like sheet everything off before we spray foam, and then also to kind of frame out for when we put our ceiling and siding on, whatever kind of finishing we end, whatever kind of finish we end up doing, so that we can have something to kind of screw it into. I feel like I'm making this way harder than it should be.
One down.
One down.
Yay.
Oh.
Hold the trigger.
This is me learning how to use power tools, the successes and the failures, and me learning that I'm a weakling.
A weakling?
A weakling. Framing out the bus, but we jumped right into the next project and didn't even take the time to take a picture of our beautiful final product and all of our hard work. But you get the idea. So until our next bus build video, enjoy some bloopers from this stage of our build.